Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and discovering that your boss has replaced half your team. Not with people, not with cheaper workers overseas, but with artificial intelligence. No salaries, no sick days, no vacations, no coffee breaks, just AI employees working 24 hours a day for almost free. And here's the scary part. It's already happening. Millions of jobs around the world could disappear over the next decade. But new jobs, jobs we've never even imagined, could also be created. So the question isn't, is AI coming? The question is, will your job survive? For centuries, humans have feared machines taking their jobs. In the 1800s, factory workers smashed machines because they believed technology would make them unemployed. They were partly right. Millions of jobs disappeared, but millions of new jobs appeared too. Then came computers, then the internet, and now, artificial intelligence. But this time feels different, because unlike previous technologies, AI doesn't just replace physical work, it can replace thinking itself. And that's something humanity has never faced before. Imagine an employee that can write emails, create presentations, analyze data, write computer code, design advertisements, translate languages, answer customer questions, and work all day and all night. That employee already exists. It's called AI. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into AI workers because they can do tasks that once required entire teams of people. A small business that once needed 5 customer support agents, 2 designers, and a marketing team can now do much of that work with AI tools. For business owners, it's a dream. For many workers, it's terrifying. So whose jobs are in danger first? The answer might surprise you. Not factory workers, not truck drivers, white-collar jobs, office jobs, jobs that were once considered safe. Customer service representatives, data entry workers, translators, basic programmers, accountants, administrative assistants, even some lawyers, and some doctors. Because AI is becoming incredibly good at processing information. A task that takes a human several hours can often be completed by AI in seconds. Imagine competing against an employee that never sleeps, never complains, and costs almost nothing. That's the reality many industries are beginning to face. Let's look at what's already happening. Some companies now use AI to answer customer support calls. Others use AI to write articles and marketing campaigns. Some software companies are using AI to write computer code. Recruiters are using AI to review resumes. Banks are using AI to detect fraud. Hospitals are using AI to analyze medical images. And every year, AI gets smarter, faster, cheaper. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. And experts believe that the pace of change is only accelerating. But before you panic, here's the good news. History tells us something important. Technology destroys jobs, but it also creates new ones. Think about social media managers, app developers, YouTubers, AI engineers. None of these jobs existed a few decades ago. The same thing could happen again. The rise of AI will likely create entirely new industries. AI trainers, AI safety specialists, human-AI collaboration experts, robot technicians, prompt engineers, jobs that don't even have names yet. The future may not be a world without work. It may be a world with different work. So, what jobs are likely to survive? Jobs requiring creativity, leadership, human connection, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, complex decision-making. A robot can write an email, but can it inspire a team? Can it comfort a grieving family? Can it negotiate a billion-dollar deal? Can it understand human emotions perfectly? Not yet, and maybe never. The people who will thrive in the AI age won't necessarily be those who fight AI. They'll be the people who learn to work alongside it. Imagine 2 workers. The first ignores AI. The second learns how to use AI tools. 5 years later, who do you think companies will hire? The reality is harsh. AI probably won't replace everyone, but people using AI may replace people who don't. This could become one of the biggest shifts in human history. As important as electricity, as important as the internet, as important as the Industrial Revolution. And every one of us is living through it right now. So, will your job survive? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing is almost certain. The future belongs to those who adapt. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And the biggest question isn't whether machines will become smarter. The biggest question is, will humans learn to evolve with them? Because in the age of artificial intelligence, the most valuable skill may no longer be what you know. It may be how quickly you can learn something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What job do you think AI will replace first? And what job do you think will never disappear? Because the future of work has already begun.